Hello and welcome back to section 7.3 and 7.4, day 2, continuing our section on similar triangles. So first part of this is to list 3 ways to prove that triangles are similar. We went over those 3 ways in day 1. The first way was angle-angle similarity, where we proved that 2 angles are congruent, 2 congruent angles. The second method was proving side angle side similarity, and that was showing 1 congruent angle and 2 proportional sides. And the last method was side similarity, which was showing 3 proportional sides. So those are the 3 methods that we will be using to show that 2 triangles are similar. So there are only 2 proofs for this section. The first proof is this one. So first things first, write down your givens. So my first given says that TVPX is an isosceles trapezoid. Is an isosceles trapezoid. And that's my given. It also gives me the bases. So TV and XP are the bases of that trapezoid. Because those are my bases, that means that they are parallel to each other. So that might be useful to prove what I need to prove. I'm trying to prove that triangle TVY, which is this small triangle, is similar to triangle PXY, which is this one at the bottom. So first thing, looking at those 2 triangles, I do have some similar or some congruent angles. I'm looking specifically at those 2. So I'm going to say that angle TYB is congruent to angle, what is that, XYP. They are vertical angles, so they are congruent. Next, since TV and XP are my bases of my trapezoid, I can say that they are parallel because that's by definition of an isosceles trapezoid or by trapezoid, is that the bases are parallel. So TV is parallel to XP. That is by definition of trapezoid. You could put isosceles trapezoid or just trapezoid, either way is fine. Since TV and XP are parallel, I erase some of those lines so we can see that a little bit better. That means I have a transversal that will cut through those. So here are my parallel lines. I'm going to pick a line to be my transversal. I'll pick this one, XY or XV. So when you do have a transversal that cuts through 2 parallel lines, you do get congruent angles. I'm looking specifically at this angle right here, which is TVY. And YXP. Those are the same. So I'm going to say angle TVY is congruent to angle YXP. They are alternate interior angles. So therefore they're congruent. So I've just shown that 2 angles in those 2 triangles are congruent. So I can now say that triangle TVY is similar to triangle PXY by angle-angle similarity. And that is number 1. Number 2, again, start by writing out your givens. So my given here says that AB is equal to 8, BD is equal to 4, AC is equal to 10, and CE is equal to 5. And that's my given. Let's go ahead and label my picture. AB is 8, BD is 4, AC is 10, and CE is 5. So I'm trying to prove that triangle ABC is similar to triangle ADE. Right off the bat, I can see that they share this angle, angle A. So I'm going to write angle A is congruent to angle A, and that's by the reflexive property. Next, I don't have any other angle measures or any other angles that would be pretty easy to get, but I do have a lot of side measurements. So if I can show that these sides are proportional to each other, then I can say that they are similar. So the sides I need to show that are proportional, I need to show that AB, this side, over the corresponding side, which is the whole side, AD, is equal to AC, the bottom side, over the whole thing, AE. For a reason there, I would just put corresponding parts proportional. I'm running out of room. Let me rewrite that. Proportional. You're just setting up your equation. Next, I'm going to substitute in those numbers. So AB was 8 over AD, which was the whole thing, so 8 plus 4, which is 12. AC is 10 over AE, which is 15. That is substitution. I'm going to simplify these. 8 divided by 12 is simplified to 2 over 3. 10 over 15 is simplified to 2 over 3. So that's just simplifying. Simplify. And now I've shown that those sides are proportional to each other. So I can say that triangle ABC is similar to triangle ADE. And that is by side angle side similarity. And that's it for day 2. Like, comment, and subscribe, and I'll see you for day 3. Bye.